talking frog. Once there lived a raccoon in a jungle. He liked hunting frogs, rabbits, rats, and other small animals. One day he caught a frog. He thought of making the frog his pet. When he was going to put the frog in a jar, the frog said, "I will become a prince if you kiss me." "I will not kiss the frog," screamed the raccoon. "Why do you want to be a prince? It is much better to be a talking frog." The frog was not convinced, but the raccoon told the frog that he could make many friends in the jungle. The frog agreed and went to the raccoon's house. The raccoon said, "I will call you Willy." The next day, the raccoon called all the animals of the jungle and showed them the talking frog Willy. All the animals wanted to be Willy's friend. Willy forgot the idea of becoming a prince. Now he was happy with the raccoon and his new friends. The Animal Marathon. Once the king of the jungle, the lion, announced an animal marathon. All the animals were excited about this animal marathon, but the lion observed that two of the animals, the cheetah and the tortoise, were not looking so happy. He asked both of them individually why they were not looking happy about the animal marathon. The tortoise said, "Your Majesty, I am very slow. Even if I try hard, I can never win." The cheetah said, "I will certainly win, as I am the fastest animal." But then there would be no fun in the contest for the others. The lion thought for a while and said, "Mr. Tortoise, you can fire the pistol at the starting line, and Mr. Cheetah, you can carry the marathon torch." Finally, the matter was resolved, and all the animals happily took part in the animal marathon. The Monkey and the Tutu Skirt. A monkey lived on the bank of River Nile. She liked to try on new costumes. A raccoon was her best friend. One day, the monkey gave the raccoon a surprise visit. The raccoon was taking a bath and did not hear the monkey get into her house. The monkey saw a pink tutu skirt lying on the bed and immediately picked it up. She wore the skirt and went away. When the raccoon came in after her bath, she saw that her pink tutu skirt, which she was going to wear, was missing. So she took out another dress, wore it, and went out for a walk. When the raccoon reached the bank of the river, she saw something pink up on the palm tree. It was the monkey who climbed up the palm tree wearing the pink tutu skirt. The monkey was looking really good in that tutu skirt, so the raccoon gladly decided to present her pink tutu skirt to the monkey. Pigouee has to wash up. There lived a piglet in a jungle. His name was Pigouee, and he had two siblings. He loved playing in the mud. Pigouee used to dance crazily in the mud whenever his neighbor, Aunt Sophie, played music. At lunchtime, Mom and Dad used to ask all the piglets to wash themselves up and remove the mud. But Pigouee liked to have mud all over him. He did not like water at all. He did not like going out when it rained. One day, Pigouee fell terribly ill. His father called Dr. Elephant to check him up. Dr. Elephant said, "Pigouee, you have fallen ill because you do not wash your mouth before having food. I instruct you to wash your hands and mouth properly before and after having food. Otherwise, you will never get well." Poor Pigouee. He promised Dr. Elephant that he would wash himself regularly.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.